In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create this type of scramble text animation inside DaVinci Resolve. So I have created a timeline and open in Fusion page, and like we are gonna grab a background node like this, and go here text and add text, and I'm gonna paste my stuff here. So this is the stuff, and select a digital font, decrease the size a little bit, and you have to select the H anchor option, and I will reduce it a little bit and I will place it here. Hit Ctrl C, Ctrl V, place it right here. Like I can use a multi-merge, but yeah, it's fine. So I have adjusted this like this. This is an airport billboard, and now we're gonna drag another background node and connect to this merge option, and we will Ctrl T the option, and now go here, select the transform option and zoom it like this, and now go and select a transform node, place it right here and adjust it wherever you like. I think so that would be fine. You may be thinking that why I'm not using grid, so I am pressing Ctrl G, but I don't know why there is a glitch in my DaVinci, so it cannot be opened. So we have to adjust it like this. So this is, and now go here, right click and select the text scramble and go to 60 frames and go to modifier, go select the randomness keyframe, go to previous frame and increase it like this and hit Ctrl C. So you can see, no, I think it's too much, so we are gonna decrease this a little bit. Okay, you have to just repeat this like what I did it here. So I have did it right here, so you can see like this. So now if I play it here, so you can see this is the text scramble effect.